Hi, thanks for sharing your concerns with me. Just as a recap from what you told me, you stated that your cell phone is really bothering you right now because the battery life only lasts for about half the day. Then you have to recharge several times throughout the day, carry a charger with you from class to class, and always look for an outlet. That's really frustrating. I'm sorry that happens to you. Let me suggest a phone to you. This happens to be my personal phone, and it's my favorite phone so far that I've ever owned, and I've owned quite a bit. I don't know if you've heard of the new iPhone XR yet, but it's a really cool phone. It's the brand new one from Apple that they just released, and it actually has one of the longest battery lives of any phone that's ever been made yet. So what I like to do is show customers. I didn't charge my phone yesterday in preparation for this. And it's half the day now, and I've been using it all day just as I normally would, just as you normally would as well. And I've still have 68% battery life. So that's a day and a half, and I haven't even used half the battery. It's amazing. So what this means for you is that you can go throughout your entire day never having to worry about charging your phone. You don't even have to carry a charger in your person at all times anymore. You never have to look for an outlet again, and you don't even need to bring the cord. This means you can surf the web, watch videos, do absolutely anything you want to do, and not worry about your battery life, and still have some left over to do whatever you need to do throughout the day. Even stream Netflix when you have some free time. Whatever it may be, the iPhone XR is the solution to your problem. Don't you think this sounds like an amazing solution?